A few years ago, Inventis launched the project Academia with the aim to promote scientific content on topics related to the equipment we supply among professionals in hearing and balance care. Today, Academia means webinars. Our webinars are fantastic learning opportunity, great opportunity to deepen and discuss the latest trends and development in hearing and balance diagnostic with international respected experts. Today, Academia means insight. Our insights are focused on products and are aimed at deepening theoretical but also practical aspects of our units thanks to the help of our internal experts, but also thanks to the collaboration with international speakers. Academia means workshop. Academia means web talks, which are debates on dedicated topic among professionals in the field. Academia means to support our customer, our distributors, organizing local event on scientific divulgation on topic related to the equipment we supply. The promotion of scientific divulgation event is definitely the starting point for spreading the latest trends and development in hearing and balance care. We have also planned to enrich the Inventis website with a section dedicated to Academia. So, education and knowledge with one click. The goal is to bring users closer to the Inventis world.